Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project. We are going to take advantage of the fact that lately when I went to Kohl's to do an Amazon return, the nice Kohl's people who take the Amazon returns and give you a confirmation receipt also gave me a $5 in-store credit. So I walked around and I found in their gift wrapping department this beautiful gift bag that was $3.99, so free. Can't beat free. Brought it home and I thought, what shall I do with this? I figured, well, put it on a tumbler. Duh. I am going to use, obviously, the gift bag, some new glitter glue I just got from Artistry Epoxy. I'm going to use Purple Passion Metallic Glitter from the Glitter Guy. I have a 30 Skinny Straight from Maker Flow. Because we're doing work with paper, I am going to be using Mod Podge as well. So let's start by deconstructing our gift bag. There we go. Put these aside for some other project. And let's open this up. Only this side has glitter on it, and I want the glitter. The glitter stops at the top of the fold. Sides don't have, so I need this. I think that'll work. Well, we'll find out in a minute. All right, let's go by the glue side here. Okay. There we go. No. Will this work? Wow, it's going to be tight, but we might get away with it. Maybe. I'm going to start by trimming off everything that isn't the glitter panel. Okay. I'm not going to trim this off yet because we might need some of it for the seam. So, pretty close. I also don't need the whole thing. I really want to do just a third, the bottom third. I'm not going to worry too much about exact measurements. 3 and a bit. Let's see how much I need to trim. I've been guilty of over trimming before, so. I think I want to risk trimming off anymore. Okay, cool. Yes, there is a hole there. I am not going to worry about it because I think it doesn't really show up all that well when it's over the matching background. This is magenta, by the way, from Rust-Oleum. I just have to get this on here now. Easy peasy. Hot dog. All right, now I need it, because this is paper, I'm going to seal it on the top side as well with a few coats of this. Same old Mod Podge, same as before. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside to dry. I'm probably gonna do another 2, maybe even 3 coats. We'll see how it goes. And then it'll be time to move on to the next step. Hey, we're back. Okay, I put 4 layers total of Mod Podge onto the gift bag portion. I've obviously taped it up so that I can put glue and glitter on the rest of the tumbler. So that's what we're going to do now. This is glitter glue from Artistry Epoxy. I will link to that below. It's supposed to work as well as the epoxy method without any streaking, but it's just glue. It's not epoxy. So we'll see. It's a test. I've never used this before. And again, I have Purple Passion Metallic 0.010 cut glitter from the Glitter Guy. I have a nice fluffy makeup brush here. So here we go. Let's see what happens. That actually looks really good. I'm going to give it a few minutes before I pull the tape, and then I'll spray seal it with the Rust-Oleum clear, probably the matte, because the next thing we'll do after that is put a layer of resin over the whole thing. Okay, we're back. This turned out really pretty, and now I need to do something with it. The glitter works perfectly with the glittered flowers in the gift bag. And now I would like to put pinstriping around here. This is one of those situations where I have a ton of vinyl in all different colors except exactly what I need for this particular situation. So I'm trying to do close as I can. I have this yellow that almost matches the yellow in some of the leaves here. The other option is this pretty holographic rose that doesn't necessarily match anything perfectly, but I think might look better as a pinstripe. Okay, this is the 0.15 width. Start back here on the seam. That's not bad. I like that. Now for a graphic. This is clear cast, but it is backed with white on the graphic part. So we should be able to put it on a darkish color. It's not like a water slide that needs a light color background. This was part of our emergency glitter kit. Beef-lamazing. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, because I have some vinyl here and we have no sunshine today, I'm not going to do UV resin. I will probably just put a layer of CC DIY, Counterculture DIY's Quick Coat, the urethane sealer, over the whole thing, let that dry, and then put a final layer of resin. I will use the KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV resin for the top layer. I won't put any Marabou's Rainbow alcohol ink into it, it'll just be clear. And then it'll be time to come back and see it on the sunshine. So, stay tuned.